What's up guys, and today I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to turn any YouTube video under about a minute into a ringtone for your iOS device. Now I say under a minute because if you don't do about under a minute, then it won't load. So first what you want to do is you want to open your web browser and you want to find the video that you want. And I will leave a link in the description to this ringtone.
First, let me help out the more of the lawn. I don't wanna cut the grass.
Okay, so that was the ringtone that I want. So what I want to do is I want to go into the URL bar right here and copy the link. You can right click or you can press Ctrl+C as shown here. Now you don't need YouTube anymore. What you want to do is you want to turn that into an MP3 file so you can download it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in YouTube to MP3 converter. And I'm going to leave links in the description to all these websites that I use. And this is just a warning. I don't like using this website. This only works for videos about 3 to 4 minutes long, and not something like under 1 minute that we want in this case. So I'm gonna paste my YouTube video right here. You can also right click and click paste. I just did Ctrl+V, and you want to click convert. Now it should show the name of the YouTube video up here, and you want to click download, and you want to close the redirect if it pops up. So now you have it saved in your downloads folder. Now what you want to do is you want to turn the MP3 into a ringtone. So you're going to type in MP3 to ringtone converter. As I said, I'll leave links in the description. You want to select the MP3 file you just downloaded. Now you want to click upload. You want to scroll down and you can crop the audio file if you want.
First, let me help out the more of the lawn. I don't wanna cut the grass.
So that was a preview. You can modify it. You can trim how long you want it to be. You can adjust the volume. And in this drop down, it has to say iPhone ringtone, even though it'll still work for, iPad, iPod Touch, except obviously not for phone calls. Then it gives you another preview right here.
First, let me help out the more of the lawn. I don't wanna cut the grass.
And you want to click complete. Now when you're ready to download it, you click here to download ringtone. And you are ready for the last step. Okay guys, so for the last step, you're going to need to have iTunes downloaded. And if you don't have it downloaded, I'll leave a link in the description. So you want to open up your iTunes and you want to plug in your iOS device. Right here. It'll take a minute to... Okay, there it goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this icon right up here. You want to go to, instead of settings, you want to go to on my device and click on tones. As you can see, I already have some loaded right here. And you want to, as I did, you want to click edit playlist, and you want to find the ringtone that you just downloaded. Okay, so here's the ringtone that I just downloaded, and I'm going to drag it right over here. And up here it shows you the status. And once it's done, it should appear right over here. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I have successfully downloaded this ringtone onto my iOS device, and now it should pop up on your iOS device. So thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like these.